Hello, my name is Klaus. I'm a DNS expert. In my last video, I recommended operating your authoritative DNS outside your company network or with specialized DNS operators. In this video, I explain a few more technical details. As you have placed your authoritative name servers outside of a company network, how can you ensure that you can still resolve your own domains even if there's a problem with your internet connectivity or if the name servers are overloaded? The solution is simple. In addition to the name servers for the public, you need to operate authoritative name servers within your internal network. These internal name servers should be used exclusively for company purposes. Another best practice is that you should not manage the content of your DNS zone directly on your publicly reachable name servers. Instead, use a so-called hidden primary server within your company network. The publicly reachable name servers are secondary name servers that fetch the zone from the hidden primary. Additionally, companies typically operate recursive name servers. For your own domains, these recursive name servers should be configured with the forward policy to query the hidden primary instead of the public name servers. Alternatively, the recursive name server can also be a secondary name server fetching the entire zone from the hidden primary. In such a setup, queries for your company domains will not reach the internet but will be answered internally. Another option is a managed DNS service, where you edit the zone content directly with the DNS service provider. In this case, you don't need a hidden primary. DNS providers usually allow outbound zone transfers, and the company internal secondary name servers can fetch the zone from the DNS provider. At RcodeZero DNS, we support both setups, a secondary DNS service with hidden primaries and a managed DNS service with outgoing zone transfer support. Now, let's shift our focus to network security. Dedicated firewalls are usually stateful firewalls. Stateful means that the firewall remembers the state of every incoming data connection. That does not make sense for the DNS protocol, where the connection is usually finished with the DNS response. Further, name servers can have thousands of incoming DNS queries per second, which can easily fill up the state table of the firewall. Once the state table is full, the firewall will not allow any new connections and all traffic is blocked by the firewall. To avoid this problem, disable stateful packet handling for incoming DNS queries. And if possible, disable deep packet inspection for DNS. Whether you operate the name servers yourself or use a DNS provider, do not rely on a single infrastructure. DNS easily supports a multi-provider setup, and DNS provider costs are usually negligible compared to your entire IT budget. However, be cautious, as some DNS providers charge per DNS request, which can lead to unpredictable costs. To sum it up, separate your authoritative DNS into public-facing servers and internal servers. Use stateless firewalling for the DNS service. Don't rely on a single DNS provider and go for flat-fee services like RcodeZero DNS. Thanks for watching the video and feel free to contact us to optimize your DNS infrastructure.